Many customers that go through a hail claim will ask us, is this going to affect my insurance premium? The honest truth is, probably not. Although we don't control the way insurance files their claims or handles their claims, what we do know is that hail damage is reported just like storm damage under what's called a comprehensive claim. Many customers don't know comprehensive claim is a little different than a collision claim. What comprehensive claim is it's something that's not your fault. It's something you couldn't have controlled, and it's something that does not affect your risk as a driver. So as a result of this, if you do file an insurance claim and it goes under comprehensive, this should not affect your rates at all down the road. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your own insurance adjuster. They'll help guide you through this process, or swing by one of our shops and we can answer any questions you may have.